In this tutorial, we'll be showing you how to use the 2D profile layer in PC Swim to visualize linear 2D profiles. This feature is optional, but helpful in quickly visualizing 2D results along a transect line. So let's get started. Creating a 2D profile layer is easy. You can either choose from a predefined profile layer or create a new one and manually draw transects within the mesh boundary. To view a profile, select the transect line you want to view and click on the Profile button. This will display the transect profile. Once in the Profile panel, the 2D transect is rendered, allowing users to animate the profile and observe water surface elevations throughout the simulation. Profiles can be saved as favorites for easy access. Additionally, a key map indicating the transect's location within the study area can be appended to the profile. See our support site for tons of videos and articles on 2D modeling. Thank you for watching.